Hey Glam Squad, this is your girl Dalou. In today's video, we are doing a makeover of these old stools that I have in my kitchen. This is what they look like now, and this is how they're gonna look like when we are done with them. This is gonna be a good one, guys. Please stay tuned to see how I do that. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. Here we are all about creating beautiful, glam, and happy homes. Please take this opportunity to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload a new video. My goal is to have 1,000 subscribers by mid-April. Please help me reach my goal. Guys, I have these stools for many years now, over 3.5 years. They have a lot of stain marks. The cushions on both of them have came off, and I have been thinking of buying new ones, but the thing is, new ones will cost anywhere between $150 to $200, and if I want something a little bit more modern, it may cost way more than that. We have decided to give them a little makeover. Hopefully we will not have to spend the money on buying new ones. We'll see. We're gonna be using the Rust-Oleum spray paint in both rose gold and gold, a stapler gun, E6000 glue, this faux leather fabric from JoAnn. For the spray paint, I took them outside. The rose gold paint on top was done off camera, so we're just gonna move forward with the rest of the paint. I am not a pro or anything like that, but keep in mind, spray paint is best done on a day when it's sunny and warm. However, I checked the weather in my area. It didn't say that it was gonna be sunny for a while. It was sunny yesterday. I should have done it yesterday, but I didn't, and now I want to move forward with the project, so I've decided to give it a try. We'll see. On a side note, I do have a giveaway going on. I'm giving away these beautiful glam vases, each pair valued at $76. This is my way of saying thank you to you guys for my 200 subscribers milestone. Please check out the description box to find out how to enter for your chance to win. Now let's move forward with the cushions. We're gonna start by removing the dust fabric at the bottom of the cushions. I'm not gonna measure or anything. I'm just gonna use the cushion as my guide for the measurement, so I'll know how much fabric to cut. We're going to staple the fabric on the cushion. It is super duper easy. This is my second time doing something like that. It's really fast and quick. As I'm stapling, I like to flip back the cushion just to see how it looks like, to make sure that I do not have a lot of fabrics and it's not too loose. And then after that, I just cut the extra fabrics that I have. Now I'm going to staple back the dust fabric. Putting some glue around the rim of the stool. We are going to repeat the same process for the second cushion. Since the rose gold paint did not come out exactly the way I wanted it to, I've decided to try contact paper in one of the stools. This contact paper is from Target. As you may know, contact paper is super duper annoying. Of course, I needed help putting it down. My husband is cutting down the extra contact paper and making sure that we have a straight line. Contact paper requires a lot of patience, y'all. Something that I do not have a lot of. This is the finished look. Not too bad at all, but the gold paint got messed up a little bit. So we're just gonna go over it with some paint. I don't have regular gold paint. I spray a little bit of the spray paint in the cup while the brush is in there. This way I catch maximum of the paint. And now we are done. This is the one with the paper and the one with the pen. They are looking really nice. I'm very happy with how they turn out. The kids kept saying, oh wow, I guess they really like the way they turn out. This was such an easy DIY. It did not even take me 2 hours to get it done, and so inexpensive. The contact paper was the only thing that was a pen. Everything I use in this DIY, I already had at home. But if I were to buy everything to get it done, I would say it would cost me $20, give and take. Minus the contact paper, of course. These are pillowcases that I got from Amazon. I inserted regular pillows inside of them. I wanted to see what they would look like with a different pillow. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? The first one or the last one? But anyway, I only have one of the last one. Please comment below and let me know which one you prefer. This is what they look like with a wog. And this is the final look for now. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I hope today's video inspires you to go ahead and create your own glam something. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified once I upload my next video. As I mentioned earlier, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by mid-April. I cannot do it without you. Please, please, please subscribe. Don't forget to check out the giveaway. On April 14, we will be announcing a winner. Good luck! Hey guys, one last thing. On the screen right now are some videos that I thought that you might be interested in. Please check them out. I thank you for your time today and I look forward to seeing you until next time. Bye bye.